Dana asked, we received your top pet potty last month, but our son is now 6 months old. I'm struggling with how to use it with him. He seems too big, but the packaging said it's good up to 12 months. I successfully caught a pee in it once, but I'm nervous if he needs to pee and poo. I can't fit both parts over it. What am I missing? Um, I've used it up to 2 years, and what I do is I stick my Branson's peenie is up to the front of it. So I stick my hand in there and almost like a shield. And yes, I get peed on, but then at least his butt's in it too. And I put my hand in there as a shield. So the pee will go off of my hand into the potty. I did this one time at night and it went all over my lap because he grabbed his peenie midstream and it just went all over the place. And I had to change my pants. That was 2 nights ago. It was terrible. But yeah, if it's a matter of getting it over it. And with a boy, even with a newborn, you really have to aim it in there. So use your hand. Don't be shy. And then Rose said it might be the baby size. Wondering the same thing. All right. So yeah, I mean, I've used it up to 2 years.